Hello friends, in this video I will show you that how to transfer USDT or any crypto from Binance to Trust Wallet. I will guide you step by step, so don't miss any part of this video, otherwise a single mistake can lead you the loss of your funds. So let's get started. So friends, here our first step is that open your Binance account and check where is your funds in Binance. Check your earn wallet, funding wallet and spot wallet. If your funds is in earn wallet or in funding wallet, so you need to transfer your funds from earn and funding wallet to spot wallet. And here you can see my funds is in earn wallet, so I need to transfer my funds from earn wallet to spot wallet. So how we can transfer from earn to spot wallet? For this you can see here the flexible option, so click on the flexible option and next page you can see here redeem option and also allow this notification and click on the redeem button. Just you can see I click on the redeem button and here write your funds which you can transfer in spot wallet, and after this click on the confirm option. Just you can see I click the confirm option, so my 10.5 USDT is transferred in spot wallet. Now I want to check my spot wallet, so you can see here 10.5 USDT, and now from here you can transfer your USDT to trust wallet. Here your first step is done. In the second step, click on the withdraw button. Just I click on the withdraw button and here you can see search here for USDT. Just you can see also you can select this USDT from here. Just I select this USDT and now you can see here send via crypto network, so you must select send via crypto network. If you want to send Binance to Binance, so then you can select this one. Otherwise if you want to transfer it to trust wallet, so you select send via crypto network, so select this and here you can see this information, paste your wallet address and here you select the network, which network you want to select. Here you can see many network, USDT, TRC20, BNB, smart change or tone coin, many network you can see. If you want to send in USDT TRC20, then you need the network fees 1 USDT. If you want to send in BNB, smart change or BAP20, then your network fees is 0.1 USDT. So this is very less network fees, so must send it in BNB smart chain. And also here our second step is done. In the third step, open your trust wallet and scroll down and here you can see USDT BNB smart chain. If you have not added USDT BNB smart chain in trust wallet, then go to description and where you find a video link that how to add USDT BNB smart chain or how to add USDT BAP20 in trust wallet, and learn the complete process and add USDT BAP20 or USDT BNB smart chain and trust wallet. After adding this USDT, come back to this video and continue your process. After adding USDT BNB smart chain, click on the USDT BNB smart chain. Just I click USDT BNB smart chain and here you can see send and receive option, so click on the receive option. Just I click the receive option and you can see here your wallet address, so copy this address from here. Just I copy this address and then go back to Binance account and here paste your wallet address. Just you can see I pasted my wallet address and also select the network USDT BNB smart chain and write your funds, and after this click on the withdraw button. Just you can see I click on the withdraw button and then you can see here the confirm option, so click on the confirm option. After clicking the confirm option, a next page open with you like this. So here you enter the code, send it to your email address. Just you can see my code is here and copy from here your code and paste where in the Binance account. Just you can see I paste my code here. After this your funds will be successfully transferred to your trust wallet. You can see here I will receive 10.4 USDT in my trust wallet. So this is the complete process that how to send or how to receive or how to transfer USDT from Binance to trust wallet. So if you have any other questions, so leave it in the comments below.